Hey guys, I'm showing you this Comfytemp heating pad for neck and shoulders. We received this as a sample to test and try. So this one is a weighted electric heat pad for your use on shoulders and neck. So let's open this. So this is a total 2.6 lb and it's a large heated wrap with 9 heat setting and auto off. So this is a LCD or LED display or the remote to control this pad, and also you can see a soft material inside is a filled weighted blanket sort of material that give it a weight so that you will feel a little more like comfy. So once this is on, you can see that on a play that which setting is that, and you can change your setting in here. So I try to put on myself, and I really feel a good heating thing inside, and it's giving all heating, thoroughly heating on my shoulder and the neck. So this is a really comfortable heating pad, and the weight as well. So it's a weighting heating pad and good in for your things. From the side also you can see is comfortable and cozy material, and also good on the shoulder and cover the shoulder.